Here's another study tip from the Learning Cauldron to help with your English revision. Know your grammar, especially the parts of speech and what they do. There are 9: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, article, interjection. So let's try and find a sentence that will include all 9 of these parts of speech. The big black dog is sleeping on the rug. And the little brown dog? She is lying quietly in a brown dog bed. Let's take each of these parts of speech one by one. Is an interjection. The is the definite article. Big black are adjectives. Dog is noun. Is sleeping a verb. On, preposition. The, definite article. Rug, noun. And, conjunction. The, definite article. Little brown, adjectives. Dog, noun. She, pronoun. Is lying, verb. Quietly, adverb. In, preposition. Indefinite article. Brown, adjective. Dog bed, noun.